Hi, today we'll be going over how to set up two-factor authentication on your web browser with a security key. First, click Enroll, and if this notification does not appear, click on the City of Oxnard logo, manage your Google account, Security, scroll down and click Two-Step Verification. Now click Get Started. Sign in with your login credentials. And you can see choose another option under Don't want to use Google Prompt. Click Security Key. Now, if you have your security key, plug it into your computer. Once the computer has read that the security key is connected, follow the instructions. After you have successfully enabled your security key, backup codes will be generated in case you have forgotten your password. Make sure you save, print, or write down these codes somewhere. These backup codes are in case you forget your password or your security key. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up two-step verification with the security key. For any issues, please call extension 7777. Thank you and have a good day.